Yes.
चलो, so अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। अब तुम लोग अपनी नोटबुक्स अपने पास रखो, ठीक है? सो आई एम टेलिंग यू, बिल्कुल ऐसे हम करेंगे जैसे मैं बोर्ड पे लिख रही हूँ एंड यू आर नोटिंग डाउन द लेक्चर्स, बिकॉज द
All
थिंग
right, miss.
वेरी लाइक once you have written anything, you will get a command on that subject. You are writing in your memory basically. So let's start. Digital logic gates. This is the first topic that we are going to start. As the name implies, digits means बेटा just wait for a while. हाँ, गेट पे कोई आया नजर देख.
Okay, okay, miss. So today we are doing 1.3 hardware and software. Specification. One second, I'll send you later. Zoom. How do you do this? I don't know. Yeah, I have got paper. It says to the teacher only privately. I don't know how to change. You will not get it because it says privately.
अच्छा, so digital logic gates हम कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? In this we have to focus on
Hardware and software.
हाँ बच्चों, are you there?
Yes, miss.
Digital logic and gates. मैंने आपको previously भी I gave you an example of a house, that in that house there are two.
Yeah.
We can prefer depending upon the size of the gate and depending upon the object that we have to carry inside the house, which gate would we prefer. Okay, this is just a temporary simple example of our daily life. Now if we come to the digital, there are two digits, zeros and ones. Then we have got logic. Based on the logic, we have to decide which gate would be preferred. This gate would basically allow the current to flow, and in which case, in case of electronic circuits. Okay, this is actually used to design electronic circuits based on digits 0 and 1. Number 3, different types of gates besides the output or function of the circuit. Are you clear about these things?
Yes. There's 0, 1. Different. Miss, can you just repeat what is the work of gates? What did you say?
Beta, you keep on writing whatever I'm telling you. Basically, it is based on zeros and ones. Okay? And
Yeah.
based on the type of a gate and based on the logic. Suppose A levels में कल मैं एक बच्चे को question करा रही थी. It was the logic circuit that was actually identifying the fault. एक system था, उसके अंदर जो था वो temperature और air pressure जो है वो control हो रहा था. But there was a fault.
Yeah.
So they were supposed to design the logic circuit based on the fault. कि fault का ही हमने logic circuit बनाना था because वो A levels का था. तो डेफिनेटली वो थोड़ा हाई लेवल के क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे, यही सारे क्वेश्चन थे। अब हमने यहाँ पे क्या करना होता है, हमने सर्किट डिजाइन करना होता है पेपर के ऊपर, और पेपर के हिसाब से हमने देखना होता है। मैं तुम्हें एक और डॉक्यूमेंट शेयर करती हूँ, उससे भी तुम्हें बहुत क्लियर आइडिया हो जाएगा व्हाट आई एम एक्चुअली ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू।
हमें इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा गेट्स का।
हाँ, सर्किट ड्रॉ करने आता है तुम्हारे पास 4 टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। एक तो ये टू ड्रॉ सर्किट, नंबर 2 ड्रॉ सर्किट बाय द, एक मिनट पहले मुझे
Truth table.
ये देखो,
I think you have to use the truth table.
ये देखो, it's just a sample. I have switched on both the things. ये AND gate is connected and there is a bulb.
Yeah.
Right now there is 2 type of inputs there are, and both are 0, like current is not being flowing in it. In the next case there is 1 because current is flowing, switch is on, and here there is 0.
Yeah.
Then there is another case in which I have connected 2 wires with the
Both one. Yeah. Both on.
flowing from the 2 wires. Got it?
Yeah.
Now can you see bulb is glowing when both the switches are on and both the in both the wires current is flowing. On the contrary, there is one wire in which current is flowing, but the bulb is off. Just because it is based on the function of this AND gate. This is the gate that actually decides whether we can switch off the bulb or switch the bulb on.
But it is getting current in 1 and 0s, yeah?
Sorry,
No, 1 and 1 when both of them are on.
But it is getting current, yeah?
I don't get you, Abdullah. What are you saying?
Like, I'm asking
About the second
there are 2
picture.
wires, yeah, there are 2 wires. So the one will get current and the other one will not get current. It is 1 and 0s.
हाँ, it is 1 and 0. अच्छा, अब मैं थोड़ा सा, ये तो एक सिनेरियो था, just giving you an idea how the circuits are being designed based on the gate. Now I am moving back to the whiteboard so that I'll just explain you about the things that I was explaining you. अब हम discuss करते हैं the types. There are different types of gates. First of all, NOT gate. Then we have got NOT gate. Then I have got AND gate. Then
Or.
NAND. Or NOR. XOR. ठीक है? Now I am making 3 different columns for that. You can also make these columns so that you can easily compare all these gates. It would be easier for you to compare them.
Yeah.
अच्छा जी. What we are going to do for all these things, content हमने क्या क्या करना है? सबसे पहले हमने content करना है the logic diagram. Number 2, Boolean algebra. Then number 3, logic notation. We will focus on these 3 things. What are these? Logic diagram, Boolean algebra, and logic notation. So the very first thing is the diagram. NOT would be made like this.
Miss?
See, beta?
I think you have 2 NOT gates, like NOT and then NOT, the second last one.
Okay, sorry. मैं अभी इसको erase कर देती हूँ. It would be or then nor. अभी सही है?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have got NOT gate like this, and minimum there is one input only. This is the only gate in which we have got only one input. This is the only gate. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Then we have got AND gate. AND gate have got the shape of the D is the shape of the AND gate. Clear?
Yeah.
There are two inputs and always one output after the current is passed from any type of gate. ठीक है?
Yes.
जी बेटा बोलो.
Said yes.
Yeah, yeah, it's fine. Next.
Should I continue now?
Yeah.
Okay. Then NAND gate. This AND basically reflect the opposite or not of the AND gate. So if we have got the AND gate, we will make the same thing but with an inverter and the output.
Yeah.
Just because I have got this N attached with the AND gate. Now the OR gate. In case of this OR gate, the shape of this R, it has got a curve. So I will make the curve and then I would draw this OR gate in that way. Same two inputs and one output. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now N is attached with the OR gate. So I will
Inverter.
first make the OR
OR
gate
gate.
and then two inputs but with the inverter and the output. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then it's XOR, X and OR. Again, I will make the OR gate, one output, but for X, I will put this X. X ऐसा shape होता है ना X का? So
Yeah.
cut this part and we will put it in front of the OR gate. Then again, so far so good?
Yes.
Any
Clear.
problem, Abdullah?
No, miss.
Okay. Now these are all the logic diagrams of all types of gates that you have got included in the course. ठीक है? किसी को कोई confusion है? I hope you have memorized all the diagrams.
Yes, miss.
ठीक है. Now we are moving to the functions of these gates, and based on the functions, we can decide the Boolean algebra and the logic notation. Along with that, there is another thing that we are going to do, truth table. Okay, these are the four things that we have to cover so far. Right now, we have done the logic diagram. Now we have to focus on the Boolean algebra and logic notation. Then after that, we will focus on the truth table. So now, NOT gate functions in a way, if there is 0, then the output would be 1, or if the input is 1, the output would be 0. ठीक है?
Yeah.
अच्छा,
If
जी बेटा बोलो.
nothing, it's fine. If input is 1, the output will be 0. If input is 0, the output is 1. Okay.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, based on this scenario, we have come up with the conclusion that basically NOT gate inverts the thing. It makes the thing opposite.
Yeah.
Got it? So that is the reason X is the result. In all the cases, we assign the output as X. We have fixed this. Okay. So X is equal to what? All the inputs would be given some letters starting from A. So this input is basically named as A. This is A and
B.
B, and same with the rest of the gates.
Yeah.
So that it would be easier for us to identify the logic notation and the Boolean algebra. So far, so good.
Yes.
So what would be the output of it? X is equal to A, but A would not be a simple A. It would be inverted. We can
A
complement.
complement.
This is
Yeah,
called
okay.
as a complement.
Okay.
So this is basically
Complement, yeah. The
complement.
opposite.
हाँ समझ आ गई?
So A complement means not A. So if the value of A is 1, then the X is not A, so 0.
हाँ. That's why we have put complement on it.
Yeah.
आगे बढ़े?
Yeah.
अच्छा. Now moving on to the AND gate. AND gate, we have got X is equal to A, B, but I am giving you a hint to memorize the function of AND. AND is equal to add. It is similar to add, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we will not do add. We will do the opposite of it, that is basically multiplied. Okay, we will
So
do
multiply.
multiply. So multiply would be represented as dot.
Yeah.
Is it clear so far?
Yes.
Now moving on to the NAND gate. Since it is the opposite of the AND gate, so we will write it in that way. X is equal to A dot B
B complement.
but complement. So far so good?
Yes.
Moving on to OR. X is equal to, अब यहाँ पे we will focus on addition. AND is equivalent to add, but we will not do addition, we will multiply. But addition would be done in OR gate. So A
Okay. Or
plus
B.
B. Abdullah, बताओ, what about NOR gate? How would you make the logic statement of this?
X is equal to
X is equal to
A minus B.
बेटे माइनस क्यों होगा?
A plus B complement.
A plus B and on top of it complement. Reason? Because there is an OR gate. Due to OR gate, I have written plus. And because of this N, I have written the complement on it.
Complement.
Got it now?
Yeah.
Okay. So now XOR. XOR would be like X is equal to A plus B, but since it is XOR, so we have to circle the plus sign.
Okay.
Got
Why
it?
circle?
Just it is the representation of XOR gate to just encircle the plus sign. This is the representation of it in the logic notation, simply.
All right.
Okay? अच्छा सॉरी, मैं इसको लॉजिक नोटेशन बार बार कह रही हूँ. दिस इज बेसिकली Boolean algebra.
Okay.
This is Boolean algebra. Now moving on to the logic notation. For logic notation, I will use the green color. Logic notation. So logic notation would be like x is equal to, logic notation में we will use the name of the gate, not
Okay.
and the input. It's not A. Got it?
Yes.
Now in case of and, क्या लिखेंगे बताओ? X is equal
X is equal to A and B.
to A and B. शाबाश. अब्दुल्ला, NAND बताओ.
X is equal to not A and B.
नहीं बेटा, इसमें हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं, we just have to focus on the name of the gate.
A and B.
हाँ, because why NAND? Because NAND is the name of the gate.
Yeah.
समझ आई? अब और पे आ जाओ.
Yes.
बताओ और का बताओ. How would we write the logic notation of this gate? X is equal to,
A or B.
शाबाश, A और B. नॉर का बताओ.
A nor B.
वेरी गुड. और इसका बताओ.
X is equal to, this is XOR, yeah. X is equal to A XOR B.
Perfect. So far so good.
Yes.
Okay, now moving on to the last point, that is the truth table. This one, the truth table. ठीक है ना? अब truth table पे आ जाते हैं हम, ये वाला part. For truth table, we have to identify, as the name implies, it's a table. Table है.
Yeah.
Table means it has to have the rows and columns.
Okay.
Got it? So how would
Yeah.
we find the rows and how would we find the column of the table? And what would be the content of that table? We need to identify all the things by our own thinking. So now see, what are the inputs? A, and what is the output? X. So these two would be decide how many columns would be there.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
ये हो गया. Now in case
So
of
the 1 second. So the input and the output will decide, yeah?
yes, both
How
of
many columns?
how
Okay,
many.
okay.
Now in this case, A, B, and X. Clear है?
Yes.
ठीक है. Now, अच्छा, मैं पहले एक टेबल का बता देती हूँ, because फिर अब number of column, rows, how many rows would be there? There is a formula for that. 2 raised to the power number of inputs. How many number of inputs are there? How many number of inputs are there in this case? 2 raised to
1.
the power 1. So how many rows would be there?
Only
2.
2. So I have got 1 and 2. Table completed?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have to fill the rows. How would we get it? I want you to just memorize for your memorization, because this is the initial phase. You need to differentiate the inputs and outputs. A is the input and X is the output. So we will
yeah.
double lines between inputs and outputs. ठीक है?
Okay.
Now start filling the rows and columns. For that we have to have, कितनी काउंटिंग होती है बाइनरी में?
1 and 0.
0 और 1, दो ही नंबर होते हैं. अगर मैं कहूँ कि काउंटिंग रिपीट करो तो क्या हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट नंबर?
0
दोबारा 0 और फिर दोबारा
1
यही होगा ना. तो स्टार्टिंग
Yes.
फर्स्ट नंबर आई हैव रिटन हियर 0 और 0 के बाद मेरे पास आ गया 1. यही होता है.
yeah
Yeah.
And since I don't have any further row, so I have stopped writing my numbers in it. Now
Yeah.
0 will come turn to
1
1. Why? Because it is the opposite of it. And 1 would be turned to
0
0. So table complete हो गया.
one question, why did you add double lines?
It would help you out in further tables. There is a reason of it.
Okay.
ठीक है, अभी आपको समझ आ जाएगा. अभी मैं जैसे मैं एंड गेट पे जाऊंगी देन यू कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड.
Okay.
अभी के लिए है, जब आप प्रैक्टिस कर लोगे देन इट वुड बी इजियर. यू डोंट हैव टू मेमोराइज कि मुझे क्या करना है, डबल लाइन लगानी नहीं लगानी. इनिशियल फेज पे बता रही हूँ सिर्फ. ठीक है, चलो
Yeah, okay.
move on. Now we have to identify. We have already identified the columns in it. अब हमें आइडेंटिफाई करनी है how many rows. What would be the formula? अब्दुल्ला बताओ.
2 and is equal to raised to 1 and is equal to 2.
Raised to the power of 2
Raised to the power 2. It would be equivalent to
4
4. So we have to have 4 rows. 1,
1 2 3
and 4. Clear हो गया?
Why we have power 2?
Because we have got 2 inputs. 1 and 2. And the formula is 2 raised to the power number of inputs. So this number of input is basically 2. Got it? Now, अब हमने filling करनी है. I told you to just draw a double line between inputs and outputs. तो मैंने यहाँ पे लगा दिया double line. ठीक है?
okay.
अच्छा. Filling the columns and rows would be in that way that the last input, this is the last input. You have to start filling the rows from this point. How would you fill the rows? 0, 1, and if we repeat it, then it will be 0 and 1.
Yeah.
Any confusion? यहाँ तक समझ आ गया?
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अच्छा, हमारे पास जो फॉर्मूला होता है, फॉर्मूला इन अ वे द टेक्निक ऑफ फिलिंग द नंबर्स वुड बी, फर्स्ट नंबर इज 1, 1 plus 1,
2.
2 plus 2,
4
and 4 plus 4.
8
This pattern would be continued in most of the cases. Either you are filling the bits, either you are finding the place, or you are filling the truth table with this. Like here the repetition is 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. अब हम इसको
Yeah.
डबल कर लेंगे, 2 zeros and 2 ones.
Okay.
And if we have got another column, then it would be 4 zeros and 4 ones. बात समझ रहे हैं?
Why 4? Why not 3 zeros and then 3 ones?
Because 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. We won't put 3
Ah.
zeros and 3 ones.
Okay.
ठीक है? And it would be the case when we have got 3 inputs. Because 2 raised to the power 3 means 8 rows.
Yeah.
You got
Okay,
it?
okay, understood. Yeah, understood.
We will do this situation, we will do these examples in future, but आज हम सिर्फ इन्हीं basic चीजों पे काम करेंगे. ठीक है?
So,
Okay. So next आ जाओ. There is a sign multiply. Is that so?
yeah, so
So
yeah.
0 zeros are
0
0 ones are
0
1 zeros are
0
and 1 ones are.
1.
Is it done?
Yes.
Any confusion?
No.
ठीक है. Next table. अब्दुल्ला बताओ क्या आएगा? How many columns?
Now we have
Yeah, so NAND gate, yeah. So
सही है?
I think 4 columns.
hang on 1 second. So 2 inputs and 1 output. So
A, B, and X.
Yeah. Same like and
so
A.
2 to the power of 3 or
How many inputs? 1 and 2. So 2 raised to the power 2. How many rows? 4 rows.
4.
ठीक है? अच्छा. Now we will make 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many columns? A. We have got this column, and we will put double line so that it would be easier to identify what is the starting point of filling the rows. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आपके पास?
0,
0,
1,
1,
0, 1,
0, 1. और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा अब्दुल्ला बताइए?
0,
0,
0,
शाबाश,
1,
1.
0.
नहीं बेटा, डबल.
1.
Oh yeah, double.
ठीक है. अच्छा, अब मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. मल्टीप्लाई होने के बाद ये इन्वर्ट भी हो रहा है. तो 0 zeros are,
0,
but we will write
1.
0 ones are
1.
1.
0, 0.
1, but we'll write 0.
We'll write 1.